Hey everyone, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious bread pudding o capirotada. This is the perfect dessert for your upcoming holiday, Thanksgiving. We have it every year. It's so delicious. If you've never made it and you want to see how I make it, keep watching. For this recipe, I'm going to begin by cutting our bread. I'm using 12 ounces of brioche style butter rolls. I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. This recipe is usually better with stale bread. About this size should be good. In a bowl, we're gonna mix 3 cups of milk, 4 eggs, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and last, a pinch of salt. And now we mix everything. And this is how we want it. I'm gonna set it to the side and preheat my oven to 350 degrees. I'm gonna grease the cooking tray. And now we add the bread. We add the mixture. Once all the mixture is in, make sure to push it down so that the bread is soaking. Make sure to get all the bread, just like this. We're gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. Now we're gonna put it in the oven and we're gonna bake it from 45 to 50 minutes. While we wait for the bread pudding to bake, we're gonna start preparing the glaze. I'm gonna set my pan to medium heat and I'm gonna add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, along with 1/4 cup of butter and 1/4 cup of hot water. We're gonna cook it until the butter is completely melted and everything is well mixed. I'm using salted butter. If you're using unsalted, you can just add a little bit of salt. It's been 3 minutes and everything is well combined. We're now gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And we mix it. It's been 50 minutes and our bread pudding is now ready. And now we let it sit for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and we're gonna add the icing. I'm gonna cut myself a piece. We add some more icing on top. And there you have it, delicious bread pudding. Okay guys, moment of truth. My mouth is watering. This is the perfect dessert for your Thanksgiving dinner. So delicious, not overwhelmingly sweet. What is sweet is the glaze, but you can always just add a little bit or add the amount that you like. But this is just perfect. Cheers. Super delicious. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.